Popular Bitcoin on-chain analyst Willy Woo has shared some interesting price outlooks and scenarios for Bitcoin, the world's leading cryptocurrency by market cap. As we head into another crypto bull market, questions about price trajectory, mainstream adoption, and other popular questions people often have during bull markets have started making the rounds. The questions and excitement have been further amplified by the prospects of institutional investors coming aboard in droves after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission approves a spot Bitcoin ETF in January. As a result of all the excitement and expectations about the next phase for Bitcoin and the overall crypto industry, it's no surprise that Woo, a popular Bitcoin analyst, is being asked about his price predictions and outlook for Bitcoin. In a recent post on the social media platform X, Woo gives an interesting analysis and price trajectory for Bitcoin in different scenarios. According to Woo, he had been asked how Bitcoin would perform in certain scenarios, including matching gold's market cap or taking 5% of the world's total wealth. In one of these scenarios, Woo sees Bitcoin going as high as over $11 million per coin. As we bring you Woo's fascinating analysis and a massive Bitcoin ETF announcement from BlackRock, the world's largest asset management firm and the leading horse in the spot Bitcoin ETF race, please take a little time to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. Thanks, and enjoy the video. In his post, Woo reveals that a private banker had asked him for Bitcoin price scenarios. Here is the first post. A private banker asked me for some Bitcoin price scenarios. Here's some back-of-the-envelope calculations using 2023 numbers. Scenario 1. If Bitcoin matches the gold market cap, it will hit $710,000 per coin. Scenario 2. If 5% of all wealth is parked in Bitcoin, we hit $1.1 million per coin. In Scenario 3, Bitcoin hits a massive $11.5 million if half of all wealth is Bitcoin. Willy Woo describes this scenario as an upper-bound price trajectory for the leading digital asset. While the last scenario might be years or even decades away, Woo opines that 5% of all wealth being parked in Bitcoin is not that far away. His follow-up post reads, 5% of all wealth being parked in Bitcoin is not that far away. There are only 600 million adults holding 100,000 plus net worth. They have 85% of all wealth. Bitcoin has 300 million investors today, growing exponentially. Woo also shares one of his posts from 2022 in which he attempts to estimate when Bitcoin gets to 1 billion users. The post reads, here's the time taken to grow Bitcoin's user base by a factor of 10. We are in the 9th iteration, going from 100 million to 1 billion users. The 10th iteration will be the last 100% global adoption. Woo accompanied the tweet with an image showing how Bitcoin users have grown since its creation and when we get to maximum circulation. The image reveals that it took Bitcoin a year to go from 1,000 to 10,000 users and another year to go from 10,000 to 100,000 users. It took another 2.5 years to go from 100,000 to 1 million users and 3.5 years to go from 1 million to 10 million users. Then it took another 3 years for Bitcoin users to increase by a factor of 10 again, going from 10 million users to a massive 100 million users. This is why Woo estimates that we could hit 1 billion users in 2025, indicating another massive increase in Bitcoin users globally. If this exponential growth continues, Bitcoin could indeed take a significant portion of all global wealth within the next few years. And with its fixed supply, this would mean an exponential increase in Bitcoin prices. Do you agree with Woo's analysis? When do you think any of these 3 scenarios will become reality? Please drop your comments and observations in the comments section below. In other news, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has revealed another extremely bullish news for Bitcoin. According to recent reports, BlackRock plans to seed its spot Bitcoin ETF with $10 million on January 3, 2024. The asset manager disclosed these plans on Friday after it filed an amendment to its registration statement for a spot Bitcoin ETF with the SEC. So far, the asset manager has had a total of 6 meetings with the SEC. In its final amendment, BlackRock has reportedly opted for the cash creation model, departing from its initial preference for the in-kind model. The amendment also shows that the seed capital investor, an affiliate of the trust's sponsor, purchased seed shares worth $100,000 for BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF on October 27th. The seed capital investor will again be purchasing seed creation baskets worth $10 million on January 3rd. On Friday, Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seyffart took to his X account to reveal some details of the latest Bitcoin ETF update from BlackRock. The post reads, looking like BlackRock is planning to make moves on January 3rd, They are seeding the ETF with $10 million, but maybe it means that BlackRock will be expecting a launch to happen shortly after. James's colleague and fellow Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas also commented on the development and noted the big jump from the first $100,000 seeding to the just-announced $10 million. He described it as a pretty big bump up. In another tweet, Eric noted that the applicants have just one more hurdle to cross before the SEC begins handing out approvals. The Bloomberg analyst's post reads, "The latest snapshot of the ETF Cointucky Derby with a new column for AP agreement, as the SEC wants authorized participants, AP, named in the next S1 update, which is expected in the next 10 days. This is no easy last step and may keep some from the starting gate. AP agreement plus cash creation model is equal to approval. As the applicants now scramble to fulfill the SEC's latest demand, it should be noted that BlackRock is still very much in the lead in the race to approval. According to reports, the asset manager has held more meetings with the SEC than every other applicant over the past month. It met with the SEC on November 20th, November 28th, December 11th, December 14th, December 19th, and December 21st. BlackRock also filed 3 amendments to its spot Bitcoin ETF filing in December. Now that another $10 million seeding round has been announced, there is absolutely no doubt that the SEC will approve BlackRock's application by January 8th. According to Eric and James, the approval, which will include some other applicants to avoid undue bias, will be announced any day between Monday, January 8th and Wednesday, January 10th, 2024. What are your thoughts on the details of BlackRock's latest amendment? Do you think we are really just days away from what could be the biggest event for Bitcoin and the entire digital assets industry in 2024? Please drop your comments and observations in the comments section below. Also, ensure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.
Hey Savvy Finance enthusiasts, massive shout out for being the heartbeat of Savvy Finance. Your support has been the wind beneath our wings, and we can't express our gratitude enough. Now buckle up because we've got an exclusive deal just for you. Ever wanted a slice of the action? We're offering a golden opportunity to own part of our YouTube channel's potential future revenue. This isn't just an investment, it's an invitation to be a part of our story. Investing means you're not just an investor, you will be a participant in the future of Savvy Finance. No cheesy lines, just a genuine call to embark on this journey together. But wait, there's more. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, become a Savvy ambassador. Share our videos on every platform: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Your shares amplify our visibility, potentially translating to more views and more YouTube revenue. Here's the kicker. If our viewership increases, we would not be just growing financially. We would be making a tangible impact by spreading valuable financial education. Now the icing on the cake. Invest and you'll score exclusive access to our private Savvy Finance Discord. Here you can chat with Savvy Finance, swap ideas with fellow investors, and be at the forefront of exciting developments. Click on the link below to register your Gigastar account. You can also find the link to my offering page in the description below. Get your Gigastar account ready, review the offering details, and let's embark on this thrilling venture together. To the incredible Savvy community, thank you for being the backbone of our success. Your journey is my journey, and together, we're creating waves. Cheers.